Muslim leader against Muslim leader. When will this end? How can we help the Palestinians if we quarrel among ourselves? Let us be honest. Let us be honest to our people. I'm sorry I have to say this, because I attend so many of the summits and all we do is give declarations of support. Indonesia will try to do its best in whatever we can do, but I call for unity. I call for cooperation. I call for, let us, the Muslim countries, realize what is happening. We are not being respected. They do not care about our voice. Once again I say, they do not care about our voice. Human rights is not for Muslim people. This is the reality. This is very sad. Let us do what we can, but let us face reality and let us be honest with ourselves. Thank you very much.